Hi, I'm Kevin Blanca, and on behalf of the Matextract team, I'm very happy to share with you today a new way of interactively learning about data extraction using large language models. So for the last months, we have been working on this online Jupyter book where you can interactively explore different aspects of the pipeline of extracting data, and also can see some examples for material science and chemistry. And we also have been authoring a review about that. And if you now want to use some of those things yourself and play with them interactively, we have a way that you can do all of it without installing anything. You can just click here on one link, and this link will then guide you to a JupyterHub built by the base for NFDI. And in there, you will have to sign in. You can do this with your ORCID, with a university login, with also a Google account, I believe. So if you go here, you will see you can also use ORCID, GitHub, or Google. So if you just search for ORCID, you would then find the way to use ORCID. In this case, I will use my university login here. And then you just enter your credentials for whatever you chose. That means ORCID, Google, GitHub, or in my case, university login. You then just tell it that it can do that for you. And then you will be guided to a place that looks like this, where you see you have Matextract here. We have everything preset for you, so nothing to change here. And you can then just click on Start, and this will then pull up the JupyterHub for you. This should go relatively quickly because we have a pre-built image for this. So it will just pull this image and then directly open a Jupyter lab environment for you, where we'll then be able to explore all the notebooks. And it should also open directly one notebook that is important for then setting up some of the credentials you use for the different LLMs that we will use. So it will be on the first page here now a list of different LLM providers like OpenAI, Anthropic, or Grok. And in the different notebooks, you can then choose quite often what LLM you want to use. If you want to use OpenAI's models, Anthropic models, or Grok's models. But if you want to use them, you of course have to then tell them who you are and who to build. And for this, you have to use those API keys. And you can get them from those providers. You can then just go to platform.openai.com or to those other links, and there then get your key. For OpenAI, they typically start with something like SK. So you maybe have something that looks like that. And of course, you cannot try to remember this, but I will delete this key after this video. For Grok, we have this key here, for instance, and then for Anthropic, you also have something starting with SK, and you can also put it in here. And then you just run this cell. It means to do Shift-Enter. You can see also number here appearing. Again, Shift-Enter. And then you're all set for running a notebook. And notebooks you can find, as it's shown also here, in content. And you can then explore different chapters. So if you, for instance, go here to perovskites, you can then explore how you can use constraint decoding in different ways to basically extract compositions of perovskites using LLMs. In this case here, we will define a schema. And then you see here, we then read a paper as a markdown format. And in this case, then here, make the call to Anthropic and then get the answer, in this case without constraining, later then with different other tricks in there. And this service you can now just use, and you can go through different notebooks, and this way, hopefully explore how you can use LLMs to extract data for your use case, material science and chemistry, and also beyond, hopefully. If you have any questions, let us know. We would like to get in touch with you to learn more about use cases and how we can perhaps help you, what issues you run into. And we will also try to then post more videos about the different chapters in the coming weeks and months.